How to change Uber Eats to Uber driver. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change Uber Eats to Uber driver. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now search switch to driving with Uber option. Now tap on this. It will bring you to the official website of Uber. From here, you will be able to switch from Uber Eats to driver account. Go ahead and tap on Contact Support to switch option over here. Now you want to tap on this link option over here. After this, it will bring you to this page. You simply want to go through all of this. Now there is this blue link over here that says I want to become a driver partner with Uber Rides. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, before you switch from Uber Eats to Uber Driver, you want to make sure to go through all of this. After that, here it says you have to contact support in order to switch from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. In order to contact support, you have to be logged into your account. If you have not done that already, make sure to sign into your account. After which, if you scroll down, you will have the contact support option at the bottom of your screen. You have two options here, chat with us and send a message. You can choose whichever you want. If you want to chat, tap on the first option. Now this chatbot is going to open up. Here, you want to type in that you want to switch from Uber Eats to Uber Driver and send this message. After this, you will get in line with the customer service representative of Uber Eats. As you can see, it is now connecting me to an agent. After you have been connected with the customer support representative, you can simply provide any required details to them and they will help you switch from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.